the best global dental symposium, Osstem World Meeting 2025 Danang. The meeting will take place in Danang, Vietnam from April 18th to 19th. Hands-on courses, academic lectures, and live surgery. Various programs that are designed to change the dental industry in the digital era are prepared under the name of Digital Know-How Pathway to Effective Daily Dental Practice. Day 1. Hands-on course. You will have the opportunity to learn from the most renowned and experienced dentists in the world. Day 2. Osstem World Meeting Symposium. The symposium consists of 4 sessions, 6 lectures, and 1 live surgery. Moderators. Moderators with extensive experience will lead and facilitate the academic sessions. First session, Dr. Vero Boyer from the United States of America and Professor Chong-Ju Park from South Korea. Second session, Professor Eva Jinvilin from Lithuania and Dr. Azim Sheikh from Canada. Third session, the highlight of the Osstem World Meeting, live surgery. Dr. Yongjin Kim from South Korea will be performing a live surgery. Last session, Dr. Jaime Guimarães from Portugal and Dr. Vo Van Nan from Vietnam. At night, Osstem World Night offers a great opportunity to connect with dentists from across the globe while enjoying an array of exciting performances. The best global dental symposium, Osstem World Meeting. Join us now to secure your spot for your academic opportunities and unforgettable memories in Danang. 2025 Osstem World Meeting Danang.